Throwback Entertainment is best known for acquiring the Acclaim Entertainment IP. Since then, we've been taking these classic titles and moving them forward onto various mobile platforms. In the coming years, Throwback Entertainment hopes to release many classic titles that people have enjoyed throughout the years, as well as new IP that we hope people will grow to love.
Our most recent title that we've been working on for 2 years now is Gladiator Sword of Vengeance. It's a modern engine that was built by Acclaim Entertainment that we have completely re-engineered running Windows runtime.
In the past year, we've taken a very big vested interest in working with Microsoft Azure as a platform going forward and developing our games. We're investing heavily in the development of internal engines as well as cloud-based gaming services.
But part of the limitation that we had for cloud saving was the need in a low latency environment to upload game data. For that, we had to use Linux with SSDs. From there, we have to offload that storage to blobs running Windows. Only within Azure could we have that interconnection, that ability to send data within the same data center to take what was taking seconds to just milliseconds.
Microsoft Azure is the open platform that we found could truly unite Ubuntu Linux, Windows Server, and also Azure services like CDN. With competing cloud services, we found that we could only pick a select few services, but we wanted to choose the ones that were most comfortable with our development team.
A lot of our developers are very familiar with Linux. They've used it through school, through university, and now as developers at Throwback Entertainment. One of the strongest feature sets of Azure is the close integration of Linux plus Windows. That combination allows our developers to be comfortable, expect a certain level of reliability, scalability on the Linux side, while utilizing a lot of the key efficiencies of Windows in perfect harmony. One of the benefits to Azure is instead of asking programmers to be cloud architects and worrying about how to set up servers and linkers and everything else, it allowed us to let them be programmers, do what they do best. And with that, a couple of mouse clicks, a sliding scale, all that stuff to increase the amount of cores on a virtual machine is so simple, you don't have to start back over.
Gladiator Sword of Vengeance is just the beginning. We plan to bring over 30 years of gaming history to modern devices. Microsoft Azure enables gamers to be able to play these games anywhere, anyway.
In the last couple of years at Throwback, we've had a lot of late nights, we've had a lot of early mornings, but the one defining thing that we always have is we want to make an impact. And it doesn't matter if it's in transit, cars, bedrooms, or living rooms. We want the entire world to be interconnected. We want everyone to play the same games. And that's one of the things that had naturally brought us to Azure. It isn't specifically focused on one platform or one ecosystem. It's about all devices playing together and everyone playing together.